Yeah, I'm going to get me a... Whoa! Bike is all wet. So I'm going to get me a umbrella, which is right here. Come on. It's going to blow all over the place. Guaranteed. We're going to hang on to it. Going to hang on to it for all our might. As long as I don't get blown up in the air. Packages. Something for me, because I ordered from Prime. Not as windy as it was earlier. I mean, it's still blowing, but it's gusty. You know what gusty is? Gusty. Yeah, I used to go to school with a guy named Gusty. No, we'll put you over here in the corner. Yeah, everything's wet. Everything. All right, I'm in.